You didn't see me behind you? Hey.
Sorry, hey Bustin. Sorry.
Oh shit. Man, when'd you get this?
Oh, I just bought it, Bustin. I was testing it out.
You mind if I test it out?
Yeah, sure, hop in.
Let me
Lock your car,
see.
please.
Yeah, I did.
You got any photos from that
It's a
report?
little bit broken. There you go.
Put it in, it's gonna be 5
We're going to test the car out.
Can I drive it around just myself in here so it's not weighed down by both of us?
That's not affecting the car, but yeah, go for it.
Wait, really?
Yeah, you can be like in 2 and it doesn't change anything.
Okay, let me just test this out. I'll be right back. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we're not catching shit.
9913 plus 1 is 76 to shop lockdown, 2.6 miles down.
Oh my.
There's 2 shop lockdowns, which one are you heading to?
Most recent, sorry.
132, ours tops out at 125.
701-10-8, what's the active?
2 shop lockdowns just popped.
Copy.
Oh my, we are
The one on Power Street.
we are so fucked. What's the brakes like?
945, 76 shop lockdown.
Oh, we are so fucked. It's over.
Try to pull out a car and I'll help you out with that.
Oh my god, it's over. It's over. We're fucked. We're so fucked.
That's over to that over to that brachiator.
Easter 1 plus 123 PDM.
Hostage situation at the Power Street shop lockdown.
Oh yeah.
You want to take negotiation?
We're fucked. Yep, we're
Yeah,
fucked.
you can handle the same as this.
Hi. No. The cop cars are way better than this. we tested it.
It's 132. My top's out at 125.
Copy, yeah.
In A
Really?
class.
That's top speed?
Yes.
Art, do you ever sleep?
Okay, that's fucked. It's supposed to be 141.
Yours does?
Yeah, figured.
Mm-hmm. Well, hold on, Bustin.
Good to see you on duty, sir.
My 41. Oh. What are we doing on a straight?
Who needs additionals right now?
Oh, we're topping out higher.
Power Street.
Oh, we're getting up there. Yeah, we're fine. They must have adjusted our cars as well. No, we're still okay.
+1 if it's named traffic minus the refuel.
No, we're in A.
Yeah, 850.
He just has better acceleration and better brakes. They can't burn us on a straight at least. That's good.
We're gonna have myself in primary, Dick in secondary. We're gonna have Sands take the hostage, reattach his tertiary.
No highway blasting at least.
We could use a additional at Sandy shop lockdown.
Yeah, his acceleration's a lot better. Yeah.
I'm gonna break off the power one, Carter. I was gonna head that way.
And his brakes are disgusting.
2 cars, 3 badges in Sandy. We could use 1 more.
All right, copy. I'll head out that way to Sandy right now.